Car Story research indicates this vehicle as certified pre-owned, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, premium sound system, leather seats, technology package, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, voice activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.